Hey guys, Coach here. Finally back out at the nursery and wanted to share some of the plants of the week with you. This week we are featuring the Cobalt-n-Gold Hypericum, a fantastic, very cold hardy perennial shrub. Goes to about 2.5 feet tall and wide, and its main claim to fame is it is covered in yellow gold flowers in the early summertime. Very, very cold hardy, down to zone 4. Does not need much care. The type of pruning that you probably have to pay attention to though is you don't want to prune it on its first flush in the spring, because you're probably going to take off the blooming part of the plant. So Cobalt-n-Gold Hypericum is a great addition for foundation shrubs, for middle of the bed. If you have larger beds, this would be a great middle of the bed addition, and it does not require a lot of care. Maybe once or twice a year clipping at most, or you can let it go just as it is. Cobalt-n-Gold Hypericum, it's in the St. John wort family, and this one here almost gives it an Arctic willow look. The leaves are so finely cut on it. Very, very attractive plant. I suggest you look for it at your garden center. Cobalt-n-Gold Hypericum. Guys, I'll check you out next week. Bye for now.